Welcome to Red Squadron Box Break random number 17 for a single box of 1011 Luxury Suite. First off, we'll get the randoms dealt with. So what we have is the two free spots at the top. Thomas John has, I believe, 5 spots there. JD Gem Sports has 1. Wardy Wardo 2. Oligo 1. Keto 9 1. 29 Mike Krug 33 1 spot. AP08 13 is 1 spot. Bree Beaubree 1 spot. Victoria 2 spots. J Bills 1. Findy F6. DAS RJB 6. So first of all, I'm going to randomize this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. We'll notice that the free most is in spot 1, and the free random is at 15. So secondly, both FinDF and DAS RJB had 6. So I'm going to randomize just these two 3 times to find out who gets the random most spot. 1, 2, and 3. DAS RJB gets the most. We will randomize that 3 more times. Whoever is at the number 1 will get the free random. 1, 2. So the number 1 spot cannot be one of the random. 3. Bree Beaubree. Goes into number 15. And now finally we will randomize the teams. And here they are. Randomize that 3 times. 1 and 2. And lastly, perfect. So away we go. So the Rangers go to DAS. Oilers, JD Gem Sports, Philadelphia and Florida to DAS. Keto 9, the Islanders, Colorado Avalanche to Thomas John. San Jose goes to Victoria. Findy gets the Canadiens. Nashville to 29 Mike Krug. St. Louis to DAS. Calgary Oligo. Anaheim Word of Tampa Bay AP. Word of Detroit. Bree Beaubree's free spot gets them Boston. Findy gets Columbus. The DAS gets the Capitals. And Dallas goes to Thomas John. Both Vancouver and Pittsburgh go to Findy. Both LA and Minnesota go to Thomas John. Carolina goes to Findy. J Bills, Winnipeg. Findy also gets the Blackhawks. DAS gets the Coyotes. Bree Beaubree's Buffalo. Thomas John, the Devils. Victoria gets the Senators. And DAS gets the Toronto Maple Leafs. The time, just before midnight, 11:56 on the 6th of November. Here's our Luxury Suite box. Go. There's the serial number, 936766838. Good luck, everybody. Dumped by a wrapper. The first card for the Montreal Canadiens, a beautiful Carey Price stick and jersey number. Stick and jersey number. You can see the Made in Canada sign. This is number 22 out of 50. Second, for the Montreal Canadiens, a Carey Price jersey card. 487 out of 599. And for the New York Islanders, we have a Nathan Lawson, clearly a goalie pack, 648 out of 899. Next, I believe this is a Group 2 rookie. So this is a short print rookie for the New York Rangers. Ryan McDonough. You can see that at the prime jersey with his on-card autograph. And this is, I believe, a Group 2, number 217 out of 299. Yes, it is a Group 2. That's a nice card. For the Montreal Canadiens, a dual jersey for two no longer Canadiens, Mike Camilleri, Andre Kostitsyn, 90 out of 599. For the San Jose Sharks, Brandon Mashinter, 292 out of 899. Tough to see that. Oh, this is a thicker than usual pack. Maybe this is going to be a 4-card pack. First of all, we have a Rick Keogh on-card autograph for the Pittsburgh Penguins. One of the Legends cards, number 65 out of 199. It is just a blank, unfortunately. For the LA Kings, an Anze Kopitar jersey, 501 out of 599. And the rookie for the Minnesota Wild, Jared Spurgeon, number 320 out of 899. And the last pack, not sure what more we can get. A Group 2 rookie like McDonough. That's Carey Price stick card. For the Minnesota Wild, we have another stick card. A jersey stick for the Minnesota Wild and Cal Clutterbuck. Number 70 out of 100. For the LA Kings, Jonathan Bernier, 413 out of 599. Just the regular jersey card. And lastly, a Nick Holden Columbus Blue Jacket rookie card, number 465 out of 899. Congratulations, folks. Thanks so much for taking part in this break. And as you can see in front of me, there's going to be a big limited weekend. And going to get this 10-11 contenders off in a random style as well. Thanks again.